Welcome to today's lecture, where we will consider the key steps of developing an effective marketing strategy. The first point of our journey is understanding that developing a successful marketing strategy requires a systematic approach encompassing a deep understanding of your target market, competition, and the unique value your product brings. In this lecture, we will unveil the step-by-step process of crafting and implementing a marketing strategy. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of strategic marketing as we show how to build a compelling and results-driven marketing strategy. If you will ask me, is there a one-size-fits-all guide for marketing strategy developing? Unfortunately, I will reply you, no. There is no single approach or approved guide for developing a marketing strategy, but you can understand the logic of developing a marketing strategy and the main steps you should take to create it. The rest will depend on your goals, tasks, time, resources, and of course, financial capabilities. So, the first step is competitor analysis and target market selection. Here, we delve into competitor analysis where we identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats posed by competitors. We will also recognize market trends and anticipate industry changes. Also, we choose target segments, understanding diverse customer needs through market segmentation. And of course, during this process, we evaluate where our brand, product, or company stands in the market, identifying areas for improvement and enhancement. The second step is target audience analysis. At this stage, we should clearly define the target audience, its demographics, psychographics, and behavioral characteristics. Understand consumers' behavior and needs, dive deep into customer motivations, identify triggers that influence purchasing decisions, and pain points. The third step is defining brand or product uniqueness. At this stage, we need to determine the main components of positioning, aligning them with customer perceptions and expectations, and create a unique selling proposition that distinguishes our brand or product, focusing on benefits that solve customer problems. The fourth step is marketing mix development. At this stage, we choose an approach to defining the marketing mix, consider the 4Ps or 7Ps or other relevant concepts. Next, we find out the role of each component of the marketing mix, recognize how each element contributes to the overall strategy, ensure consistency and integration across all elements. Fifth step is strategic marketing channel choices. At this stage, we consider the strengths and weaknesses of various channels and select marketing channels that align with our target audience's preferences. Next, we develop omni-channel campaigns, integrate channels for a seamless customer experience, considering different touchpoints. The sixth step is budgeting, analyzing, and measuring results. Here, we define success metrics or key performance indicators aligned with business objectives and, of course, allocate available budget based on the most effective channels and forecast return on investment to ensure optimal resource allocation. In conclusion, today's lecture, it's crucial to underscore that there is no one-size-fits-all guide for marketing strategy development. It's a creative process, a lot of researches and analyses. Remember, your marketing strategy's blueprint depends on your unique goals, tasks, time constraints, available resources, and financial capabilities. It's a personalized roadmap crafted to suit your specific needs and aspirations. However, the steps mentioned in this lecture will lay a solid foundation for developing an effective marketing strategy from your side. During this course, we will do some practical tasks to make this process as interesting and useful as possible. Before the next lecture, I suggest you choose a product which you are responsible for, or the product you would like to be responsible for, or service, or company, or brand, or the company that you are considering to create, based on information about which you would like to lift the curtain on the marketing strategy development process. So, in the upcoming lectures, we will delve deeper into each of these crucial steps. If something is not clear to you, or you have additional questions while watching the lessons, do not hesitate. Ask. We have Q&A section where you can ask, and we will be happy to help you. See you soon!